how to turn on or turn off messages, smart suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Now in here, go down and tap on smart suggestions on the left hand side panel. Then we scroll down and tap on messages. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on smart suggestions for messages. And say that when this is on, get suggestions for actions based on the message you are viewing. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.